Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Casio Edifice EFV-C120 and I'm going to show you how to align your watch hands or how to sync your analog with your digital time. So let's get started. When your watch hands are not aligned with your digital time, to correct the hands or to synchronize your analog and digital time, let's enter the hand setting menu. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and you saw age set over here briefly, which means that we are in the position of setting our hands. Now, to enter the settings menu for the watch hands setting, press and hold the upper left button, and we are in the position of setting our watch hands. All the sub-dials are flashing with their values. So let's go. You can press the lower right button and it will engage moving your minute hand as well as your hour hand. And it will move in the increments of a third of a minute. So each press rotates the watch hand by 20 seconds and the hour hand corresponds with that. So you can also engage fast rotation by pressing and holding it. There it is. Until you get it to exact position. Also, you can press simultaneously these two buttons. Let's go. There it is. And release it, so you don't have to hold the lower right button. If there is much to move these hands, and stopping it is done by pressing one of those two buttons. So we are looking at 2 o'clock and 43 minutes, so 14:43, it's shown over here. Let's see if we can set it exactly. So 14. There it is. And now fine-tune it. There is 14:40, 14:44, and 1. There it is. Now my hands are aligned with the digital time. To implement the setting, simply press the adjust button. We go back to the age set menu. To get back to the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once again. Higher pitch of the sound gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode, and to recognize that we are in the standard timekeeping mode, pressing the upper button shuffles between your screens on the home setting or home setting. There it is. That would be another tutorial video on my channel. This time it was the Casio Edifice EFV-C120. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.